Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are the new toolbox. This is winner file. You need to extract it and you will get this file. And this is guide, and this is new toolbox and new toolbox, and these are backgrounds. High quality JPG image you can see as JPG format, and these are almost 32 files, and these are elements. High quality PNG photos. These are almost about 52 files and 828 MB. This mineral file is about 1 GB something, and this is retrocommiter is Adobe Illustrator form, and this is other form. Okay, so you can download this winrar file from the link in the description. Just click on this link and you will get this, the bulk website, the new toolbox, and this is about the, you're gonna download the file and you can download from here, and this is your Facebook page link, and this is Gmail. You can contact us, and this is WhatsApp number, and you can leave any comment here for according to this regarding this post, if optional, if you give us your suggestion. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video. Take care.